Yo guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Luz WRX is back at it, back at drag racing in my 2015 Subaru WRX with a stage 2 tune, downpipe, NVIDIA exhaust, and that's about it. I'm going to be going against a brand new Shelby GT500 Mustang. It's the newest body style with a supercharged engine and over 700 horsepower, so I'm going to get demolished, but we will give it our go. Give it our best. AC is off, no air conditioning, of course, just got the vents on. It's a little bit warm, but not too bad. Wish me luck, guys. I am not riding the clutch. I'm waiting for him to give me the hand signal, and then I will put it in first gear and pull up. Launch. I basically just took off from idle. I just wasn't prepared, but we'll give it another go on the next try. Alright, so our first time, I'm not expecting anything extravagant, but we'll see what we got here. Thank you, sir. So 14.6 at 95, so nothing really too crazy.